How to fix lag on an Android phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can fix lag on your Android phone, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to fix lag on your Android smartphone, the very first reason why this happens is due to lack of storage on your device. So to fix this, all you have to do is open up settings. Once you open up settings, go to the option called storage, such as battery and device care. And then you want to go to storage, check if you have enough storage available. If you don't, then I'd recommend you to uninstall some of the applications, music and video files that you don't really use. If you have recycle bin cluttered up, you might as well want to try to empty all these recycle bins over here, and then just go ahead and try to delete all these messages and so on. After that, if there are some heavy games, I'd recommend you to uninstall them, and there are also some type of large files which you don't really want and use, so you can also go ahead and then delete them respectively if you want to. Now after that, you can just come back, just go to memory, make sure you have enough memory as well. So just try to clear the cache files as well as the RAM over here. Once you're basically done cleaning, it should help you solve your problem. Sometimes the issue could be due to your lack of software update, so just come back. Due to outdated version of Android, you could have the issue, and then just go to software update, check if your device is updated to the latest version. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.